Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the repeat rate on your keyboard for your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu down the bottom left corner of your taskbar, and then select Settings. On the left panel, select Device, and then over here on the right underneath Device, you want to select Keyboard and Inputs. And then scrolling down underneath repeat keys and accent marks, make sure press and hold to automatically repeat the key is toggled to the right. And then you can go down and adjust the repeat rate by dragging this to left or right. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.